What's up, Ryker owners? Brendan here with Slingmods.com, and as you may have noticed, the factory ignition key on the Ryker doesn't really fit the aggressive styling of the Ryker. So we now offer a black key cover that adds an aggressive look and allows the ignition key to flow with the sinister looks of the Ryker. This key cover is a simple clamshell style that mounts in place with the 4 included Allen head screws using the Allen wrench provided in the kit. So start by unscrewing the 4 Allen head screws. Then remove the top half of the clamshell, making sure not to drop any of the washers. Then insert your factory key and place the other half of the clamshell back on top. Insert your screws and then carefully tighten them down so that they're nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten. Once installed, you'll notice that there's a slot in the top of the cover, so you can add a key ring here if you'd like. So stepping up the dress code of your Ryker ignition keys on your mod list, and you'd like to take your key from this to this, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.